Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis on JASMY. We will be doing a quick update on what's happening with the price. We're talking about the bullish and bearish momentum that I see with the project. So if these types of analysis help out, please like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's go and check out the charts. Alright, so we take a look here at JASMY. So as we can see from the first update that we did, if I scroll out, we can see that we had zones here, okay? We had a zone that it was trading in. As we can see, we had the zones in these ranges of about 0.036 and also the zones of 0.042. So as we can see, price respected these zones for quite some time. As we can scroll to the sideways here, we can see that there was a fake out here at these levels at the, let's see, 0.04, where price decided to go up there, but we were also oversold in the RSI. So keep that in mind. And we saw that we were in this range of market for quite some time, and I stated that in order for price to break out of these zones and see a newer high, we would have to break these structures here at the 0.046, which unfortunately didn't happen at the 5 minutes. And I also had another zone marked up, as we can see here, where there was a demand, and unfortunately we did break. And as we can see here from the drawing, I stated that if it broke this side here, we would see a continuous downtrend on these levels here, which is about 0.03. So let's scroll to the side and see what happened. So as we can see, price actually went out of these zones. As we can zoom in here, and we saw that price created a resistance here, which tested it several times, and then it came back down to these levels here, as we can see when we zoom out, which is another range here for a support that can be created. We can see from this market here that it respected the zone that we drew out before, since there was a big demand area. So in this area, in this time, it needed to be filled, okay? So I believe this is what's happening with JASMY. There's prices that needs to be filled, and at these current levels, it's a support, okay? So it's coming back to the demand level, and hopefully we can see different retracements later on where we can touch the demand and the support up there, okay? So as we scroll down, where we see another high demand that I drew out. So as we can see here, this resistance tested this zone several times, as we can see. Touched it once, twice, and then a third time as well in the 5 minutes. But if we take a look here at the 5 minutes, we were oversold, and also we had in the MACD, we were oversold, and it was indicating a bearish momentum from these levels here. So also as we can scroll down again, we had these levels touched again, where at the 5 minutes level, we had an uptrend also that we can see. So when these demand levels touched here, we had another uptrend that can be seen as well, which can be connected. So overall, the demand level that we drew out last time was in a sense a bullish momentum, where the price touched it once and another time here before creating the uptrend that we can see from these levels. And also, we've also respected the levels that we drew out before. So here, there was another one right here, which it traded in the zone of the uptrend. So as we can see, price respected these levels. And the time that it came out again, we were oversold on the Bollinger Bands as well as the RSI. So just keep that in mind. 5 minutes, we're still in the range of market for JASMY. And as we could scroll down as well, we're still in this breakup structure here, and we have the zones that we drew out, and it's still respecting these zones, okay? So currently, 5 minutes, for the latest news, we have here, there was an uptrend that we can see here. We had another uptrend right here, and we wanted to see price break out of these zones and test newer highs, but unfortunately, if we do zoom in here, we have price tested these zones of resistance, as we see here, and it decided to wig back down, okay, to the demand levels at these levels here, because as we see, one of my favorite patterns that I'd like to talk about the channel is the double bottom. So we have price here respected these zones, where we're currently actually at the demand level at the time of me filming this. So we have price is respecting these zones and coming back to the premium levels, which I like to state in my videos. So currently we do see JASMY at a premium level, in my opinion, and technical analysis as well. We are seeing a structure of the MACD being crossed, and also we're about to be oversold in the RSI. So for the short term, I see a lot of potential for JASMY for upside potential. And if we take a look at the 1 hour as well to see what's happening in the longer time frame. So yes, we can see here we have the demand levels, and we also have the range in market that we drew out. We were in an uptrend, and then we had a consolidation at the levels of the support that we drew out. So keep in mind as well, we're about halfway through the Bollinger Bands, so there's still room to break down in the structure and touch the lower demand levels that we have drawn out. So in 5 minutes, it still looks great for a bullish momentum, but 1 hour, just keep in mind that there's a lot of space here to be filled at the demand levels at the higher time frame. So yes, this is a quick overview of JASMY and just a quick update of what's happening in the project. So if you like these types of analysis, make sure to like and subscribe. It really does help out the channel, and make sure to give me feedback as well on how I can improve my videos, and also things that you want me to cover, such as projects or anything that you would like me to cover in my YouTube channel. And thank you guys for all the support. We've reached 100 subscribers, which is very amazing. And without any further ado, stay blessed and take care.